Has this ever happened to you? You're recording, everything's going great, and then bam, movie recording has been stopped automatically. Slow card write speed. Today we're going to be fixing that problem. Kingston sent me over their Canvas React Plus V90 SD card to try out. We're going to get it opened up, put in the camera. I'm going to try it out, and I'll let you know how well it works. Stick around. Now here's what matters. This isn't just a fast card. It's rated at V90, as you see right there, which means it guarantees at least 90 megabytes per second sustained write speed. That's what prevents that slow card write speed message. And as you see right there, you're getting a 300 megabytes per second read, 260 of write, and it's the V90, which means 90 sustained. This is a UHS-II with dual row pins on the back, as you see right there. Now this right here is the 128 gigabyte version, and they do come in multiple sizes. If you're shooting in high bitrate 4K and 8K video, you definitely need a card that can keep up with your write speed. I'm going to get the camera turned off, put this card in there, try it out for a while, and then I'll be back with you and let you know if I had any issues. Don't go away. Hey guys, I have been using the Kingston Canvas React Plus SD card for the last few days and have not had any issues whatsoever. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a winner in my book. Hey, if you'd like to check this out for yourself and possibly order one, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you enjoy looking at camera gear and things like that, I'll put a playlist right over here that you can go check out. You might find some more things in there that might perk your interest. You never know. Go check it out. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.